Hello, my name's Jenny and I'm a DIY and style blogger at sweetteal.com, and today I'm going to be introducing and reviewing the Bed Head Curlipops 1-inch Tourmaline ceramic tapered styling iron. And it also helps fight frizz, which is a huge thing for me in Florida because there's frizz all the time. You want to take about a 1-inch section of hair and then wrap it around, leaving the end out. Hold it there for a few seconds and then bring it down, just like that. So again, when you switch sides, you're going to want to curl away from your face. And I like to take a few pieces and curl closer to my scalp. I don't like to do this with all of the pieces because then it gets a little too poofy up here. So just take a few, curl them close. Sometimes I like to brush the curls to give them a nice, cleaner wave. So we have this side compared to this side, it's more messy. So overall, I'm a huge fan of this wand. I love how it gets hot enough to curl in a matter of seconds. My whole head took a few minutes. I like how it has this little stand here so you can stand it on your counter, and I like how this cord twists so you don't get all wrapped up in the cord. This is the best curler I have used in a long time. Go get one.